Hi everybody, in this video I would like to show you how to connect to the TP-LINK router for the first time, or how to connect to the router after the factory reset operation. It's simple. You need to just take your router, look at the bottom side of it. There is like the table with the all info about the router, and somewhere there you will find default password and default Wi-Fi name. Write it on the piece of paper. Okay, I already done that. Now you will need to go to your smartphone Wi-Fi settings, find the router Wi-Fi network. It's TP-LINK 32 dB in that case. Click on it and input the password. It's 64225975 and click connect. Okay, and it's connected. This is how you connect to the TP-LINK router for the first time or after the reset operation. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.